In the quiet of the understory, a silent arms race is underway. While most plants invest energy into thick, woody trunks to reach the sun, one group of botanical rebels has found a shortcut. They are the climbers, vines, lianas, and creepers. To the casual observer, they are decorative backdrops. But in reality, they are highly sensitive, predatory seekers of light, using a sophisticated sense of touch to conquer the vertical world. How does a vine know where to climb? It begins with a behavior called circumnutation. The tip of a young vine doesn't just grow up, it rotates, sweeping the air in a search pattern. This isn't random. Guided by internal biological clocks and gravity, the vine is hunting for a solid object. Once it makes contact, a biological miracle called thigmotropism kicks in. This is a plant's version of touch. In some species, like the burr cucumber, the response is faster than a human eye can perceive. Within minutes of touching a branch, the vine's cells on the outer side begin to elongate, while those on the touch side contract, causing the vine to curl and lock onto its host with the strength of a coiled spring. Evolution has equipped vines with a diverse toolkit for the ascent. First, the twiners. Plants like wisteria or honeysuckle use their entire bodies, spiraling around a host. Interestingly, most species have a handedness, consistently spiraling either clockwise or counterclockwise. Next, the tendrilbearers. These are specialized wire-like organs. When a tendril finds a twig, it creates a coiled spring structure. This isn't just for grip. It acts as a shock absorber, allowing the vine to withstand high winds without snapping. Then, there are the adhesive artists. The Boston ivy uses tiny suckers or pads that secrete a biological glue so strong it can support many times the plant's weight. Finally, we see root climbers like English ivy, which grow thousands of tiny feet or adventitious roots that lock into the microscopic cracks of brick and bark. But this vertical lifestyle has a dark side. In the botanical world, there is no such thing as a free lunch. By using the trunks of trees for support, vines save the massive energy required to grow wood. They redirect that energy into rapid leaf production and reproduction. However, for the host tree, this can be a death sentence. In tropical forests, lianas can grow so thick they bridge the canopy, weighing down trees and stealing their sunlight. Some, like the strangler fig, eventually encase their host entirely, competing for water and nutrients until the supporting tree rots away, leaving a hollow vine tower standing in its place. Despite their competitive nature, vines are essential. They act as canopy bridges, allowing monkeys, sloths, and insects to traverse the forest without touching the ground. They are the glue of the ecosystem, opportunistic, intelligent, and relentlessly driven. Next time you see a vine on a garden wall, look closer.